Action Day for multiple pollutants from 4 p.m. Monday until 4 p.m. Tuesday. The Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment has issued the following What? Action Day for multiple pollutants. Where? Douglas, Jefferson, Denver, Western Arapahoe, Western Adams, Broomfield, Boulder, Larimer, and Weld counties. When? 4 p.m. Monday, July 22nd to 4 p.m. Tuesday, July 23rd. The following impacts are expected. Action Day for multiple pollutants is now in effect for the Front Range Urban Corridor. Request to limit driving gas and diesel-powered vehicles is now in effect until at least 4 p.m. Tuesday, July 23rd, 2024. Warm and stagnant weather combined with increasing amounts of out-of-state wildfire smoke will result in ozone and fine particulate matter concentrations to possibly reach unhealthy levels for air quality for both Monday and Tuesday. CDPHE requests that activities, such as driving non-ZEV vehicles, i.e. gas or diesel, be reduced to lessen the impacts on air quality. Additional air pollution in this region may directly worsen air quality or contribute to precursors which may also adversely affect air quality. For Colorado air quality conditions, forecasts, and advisories, visit www.colorado.gov/air quality. Health information. People with heart or lung disease, older adults, and children should avoid prolonged or heavy exertion and limit time outdoors. Everyone else should reduce prolonged or heavy exertion and, while outside, take more breaks. Air quality health advisory for wildfire smoke from 7 a.m. Tuesday until 9 a.m. Wednesday. The Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment has issued the following What? Air quality health advisory for wildfire smoke. Where? Logan, Sedgwick, Phillips, Morgan, Yuma, Washington, Albert, Lincoln, Kit Carson, Cheyenne, Crowley, Kiowa, Otero, Bence, Prowers, Baca, Los Animas, Kerfano, Custer, Park, Clear Creek, and Gilpin counties. Locations include, but are not limited to Sterling, Julesburg, Holyoke, Fort Morgan, Ray, Akron, Kiowa, Lyman, Burlington, Cheyenne Wells, Ordway, Eads, La Junta, Los Animas, Lamar, Springfield, Kim, Trinidad, Walsenburg, Westcliff, Fairplay, Georgetown, and Central City. When? 7 a.m. Tuesday, July 23rd to 9 a.m. Wednesday, July 24th. The following impacts are expected. Widespread wildfire smoke will impact the advisory area through at least Wednesday morning. Health information. Public health recommendations. If smoke is thick or becomes thick in your neighborhood, you may want to remain indoors. This is especially true for those with heart disease, respiratory illnesses, the very young, and older adults. Consider limiting outdoor activity when moderate to heavy smoke is present. Consider relocating temporarily if smoke is present indoors and is making you ill. If visibility is less than 5 miles and smoke in your neighborhood, smoke has reached levels that are unhealthy.